Here I have taken a problem from IIT 2001 exam. The problem is a hemispherical tank of radius 2 meter is initially full of water and has an outlet that is which is of 12 semi square cross sectional area. Outlet has 12 semi square cross sectional area. Outlet is at the bottom of the tank, that is hemispherical tank. Here the flow of water through the outlet is under a law. This law is Vt equal to 0.6 root over of 2gHT. This is the law of flowing of water through the outlet. This is the law, and here also Vt is the rate of flow, that is velocity, and Ht is the height of the level of water at time t from the bottom of the tank. Here also G is the gravitational acceleration. We have to prove that the time taken to empty the tank is 44 into 10 to the power 4 over 27 root g second. This is to be proved. This is the time taken. This time is taken to empty the tank, that is hemispherical tank, which is initially full of water, and its radius, that is radius is 2 meter, and it has an outlet whose this outlet is of 12 semi square cross sectional area. Now we have to prove this result, that is this is the time taken to empty the hemispherical tank full of water. Now let us begin. Here we have drawn the hemispherical tank. Here this is the radius, this radius are NE equal to ND equal to MB equal to Cn, all are equal to R, radius of the hemispherical tank, and also here the level of the water at time t, the height of the level of the water at time t is h, that is h is the height of the water level from the bottom at time t is h, and the base radius of the water level is a, that is am equal to mb equal to a. This is the base radius of the water level at time t. Now we have got a right angle tangle. Here the right angle tangle is MBN. This is the right angle tangle. From the properties of right angle tangle, we can write this is MB square equal to MN square plus MB square. So R square equal to R minus H square plus S square. So S square equal to 2RH minus H square. Here velocity is given as, that is rate of flow, Vt equal to 0.6 2gHT. The law is given as Vt equal to law of flow, Vt equal to 0.6 2gHT. This is the law of flow, law of flowing of water. This law is Vt equal to 0.6 2gHT. Here Ht is the height of the water level from the bottom at time t, and Vt is the velocity, that is rate of flow. So we can get the volume of the water flowing through the outlet per second per unit second, that is per second, is Vt into the cross sectional area of the outlet. Cross sectional area is 12 semi square. Cross sectional area is 12 semi square. We can convert semi square into meter square. To convert this, to convert semi square to meter square, we have to multiply this by 10 to the power minus 4. This unit is converted into SI unit, the volume per second, that is meter cube per second. This is the rate of flow. This is the rate of flow of water whose volume is this per second. Per second, this volume is flowing out. This volume is flowing out of the tank. This is the rate of flow. Now, we can take a circular disc at the level of the water at time t, whose height is h at time t. We can consider a circular disc of thickness dh, which is also made of water. That is circular disc of water, which is also made of water. Circular disc of water whose thickness is dh and also its base radius is a. At this circular disc is considered at the level of the water, at the level of water, at the level of water, that is level is AB. So, this volume of elementary volume, so the elementary volume, so the volume of this disc is volume is the base area is pi square into its thickness is taken as dh, that is pi square dh. This is the elementary volume, that is we can write as dV equal to pi square dh. This is the volume of water flowing out of the tank at time is considered as dt. At time dt, this dV volume, that is the volume of water which is dV, is passing out, that is flowing out of the tank. This is the rate of flowing out of the tank. This rate of flow is dV equal to pi square dh. This is the dV. This dV is flowing out at time dt. So, rate of flow is, so here also rate of flow, this dV is flowing out at time dt. So, rate of flow is dV by dt equal to pi square dH dt, dH by dt. This is the rate of flow. This is the rate of flow. At this rate, the water is flowing out through the outlet. That is, this is also the rate of decrease of the volume of water in the tank. This is also rate of, this is also considered as so the rate of, we can say rate of, we can also say rate of decrease in the volume of water in the tank is also this dVdt. dVdt is also the rate of decrease of water in the tank, volume rate of decrease in the volume of the water in the tank. This is the rate of decrease of volume in the water, that is rate of decrease in the volume of the water in the tank. So, this is also dV dt. This is the decrease, rate of decrease in the volume of the water through the outlet. That is, at this rate the volume is decreased, at this rate dV dt. So, this rate is also equal to this, that is volume of the water flowing through the outlet, volume of the water flowing through the outlet per unit time, that is per second. So, this is are numerically equal, that is Vt into 12 into 10 to the power minus 4 are numerically equal, but their sign are of opposite, because this is decrease and this is increase. This is rate of flow, this is the rate of flow of water through the outlet, and this is the decrease of volume, decrease in the volume of the water in the tank. So, this decrease and this flow are equal in numerically, but their sign are of opposite, that is dV dt sign can be taken as minus dV dt. So, we can write this dV dt equal to minus this opposite sign. These are of opposite sign, but numerical values are equal, because this is dV dt is the rate of decrease and Vt into 12 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube per second is the flowing rate of flow of the water through the outlet. So, their sign are of opposite sign. So, dV dt equal to this. dV dt equal to also pi square dH dt equal to minus Vt. Vt equal to Vt is given as 0.6 root over of 2gh into 12 into 10 to the power minus 4. Ht means h is function of time, that is at time t the height is taken as h. So, Ht. So, we can write 0 minus 0.6 root over of 2gh into 12 into 10 to the power minus 4. So, pi square dH dt equal to this is 7.2 minus 7.2 root over of 2gh into 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power minus 4. So, dH we can, this is also an ordinary differential equation. So, we can solve it by using method separation of variable. So, we have to separate the two variables h and t from each other. To separate these variables, we get dH over root h equal to minus 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 over pi s square dt. Also, s square dH over root h equal to minus 7.2 10 to the power minus 4 dt over pi into also here root over of 2g, here also root over of 2g dt. This is now s square equal to this. So, we can put the value of s square here. S square is 2rh dH over root h equal to minus 7.2 10 to the power minus 4 root 2 root g over pi. This is, now we can integrate this to integrate both sides. Now we can integrate both sides, it is 2rh minus h square over root h dH equal to minus 7.2 10 to the power minus 4 over pi into root 2 root g dt integration dt. Now, we can take limit for h. Lower limit is r, that is when the tank was full of water, the height of the water was r. So, lower limit is lower limit of h is taken as r, capital R, and when the tank is fully empty, then height, the upper limit, that is value of height equal to 0, that is upper limit is 0. Now, here also initial time is 0 and final time is taken as capital T, final time is taken as capital T. Now, r to 0, 2r h to the power half minus h to the power 3 over 2 dH equal to minus 7.2 10 to the power minus 4 root 2 into root g into capital T. After integrating, we get this value of this integration is capital T over pi. This is. Now we can integrate this. After integrating, 2r into 2 over 3 h to the power 3 over 2 limit is r to 0 and minus here h to the power that is 5 over 2 h to the power that is 2 over 5. After integrating, we get 2 over 5 h to the power 5 over 2. Here also limit is r to 0 equal to minus 7.2 10 to the power minus 4 into root 2 into root g into capital T over pi. So we put these limits. After putting the limit, upper limit and lower limit, we get 2r, that is 4r over 3 r to the power 3 over 2, and also 0 minus, that is sign is minus, and here also minus minus plus, that is 2 over 5 r to the power 5 over 2 equal to minus 7.2 root 2 root g capital T over pi. Now we can write 2 over 5 minus 4 over 3 r to the power 5 over 2. R into r to the power 3 over 2 equal to r to the power 5 over 2. So, r to the power 5 over 2 is factorized as this expression is factorized as 2 over 5 minus 4 over 3 r to the power 5 over 2 equal to minus 7.2 10 to the power minus 4 root 2 into root g into capital T over pi. This is after subtracting these two fraction, we get minus 14 over 15 r to the power 5 over 2 equal to minus 7.2 10 to the power minus 4 into root 2 into root g into capital T over pi. Minus pi minus is cancelled out, minus is cancelled out. So, T equal to 14 over 15. Also we put the value of r, radius of r is taken as 2 meter. Here the hemispherical tank has base radius 2 meter, that is r is 2 meter. The value of r is 2 meter, the value of the radius of the hemispherical tank is 2 meter, value of r is 2 meter. So, we can put the value of r, that is 2 to the power 5 over 2 into pi over 7.2 into 10 to the power that is 10 to the power plus 4, and here 7.2 into root 2 into root g into root g, that is this is 14 over 15 4 root 2 into 12 over 7 value of pi into 10 to the power 4 over 7.2 into root 2 into root g, that is root 2 is cancelled out and also 7 this, and this is 2 into 4 into 22 into 10 to the power 4 over 15 into 7.2 into root g. This is 2 into 22, that is 44. 44 into 4 into 10 to the power 4 over 15 into 7.2 is 108 into root g, that is 4 and 108. If we divide 108 by 4, we get 27. It is 44 into 10 to the power 4 over 27 root g. This is the time. That is, so the time is t equal to 44 into 10 to the power 4 over 27 root g second. This is the time required. This time is required to empty the tank. This is the time taken to empty the tank. This time is 44 into 10 to the power 4 over 27 root g second. Thus, we have solved this problem.